welcome back to the channel with a new video. Today we're going to be refurbishing these wheels from this to the original silver. And I've come to power with some PPE. So, set of goggles, some paint stripper, some masks, some gloves so that it gets splashed back from the paint stripper, obviously various brushes to put the paint stripper on, a scraper, scrapey, and another little scraper just getting the intricate bits. And I've also got the paint as well, just get that. So I've got some Genelite Rust primer, and this is the exact colour match for what would have been the original silver on Morris Mines after 1968. They were painted silver. The code is REL9022, so I'll leave a link in the description for that if you're interested in doing that. So first thing to do is suit up, ready to strip the wheel. First thing I've done is put some paint stripper on the glove, just to see how that reacts to the glove before I put the glove on. So it's a bit itchy with the glove, and it's not going to be any good for me to wear. So we're just going to wait for that to do its thing, and then come back to after that. Right, so the paint stripper seems to be okay on the glove, still at the end. I think we've gone into trouble. Oh, use that way. This bit stripping. Put the mask on as well. Right, I don't know if you can hear me very well. We'll just wait for that to react, hopefully, and we'll start stripping the paint. So that seems to be reacting the paint now. So I'm going to crack on and remove all this paint. So that's another film, just me stripping that. So I'll pause it and I'll come back when it's all done. Right, I started to strip the wheel. The paint stripper has got some of it off, but not all of it. And I don't really want to be up here forever. So basically, I'm just going to key the wheel and then stick some primer on it. I just want to get these done. So I think that'll be the way forward. I'll just key the paint, put a bit of primer on, and top coat, and then they're done then. I'll cut back in and prime it up. So what I'm doing next, I'll just put some water on the outside of the wheel, just to get neutralise the paint stripper. Then I'm going to put a couple of coats of primer on, let that dry, see how obviously that takes, and then do the silver, and then that wheel's back on the car. So once I've primed the wheel, I'll obviously come back to you and show you what it looks like. So catch you a bit. Right, I tried the alloy wheel masks that I bought and put them on the wheel. They're a load of crap, basically. So what I'm probably just going to do is primer the wheels, spray them, and I'll just have to buy some black paint to go around the edge of the tyre to get rid of the overspray. I didn't bring any masking tape with me. I just want to crack on and get it done. So yeah, once it's done, I'll do a little video of the wheel when it's all finished. Because the time's ticking on. I want to try and get at least one wheel done a day. So yeah, I'll come back to you once the wheel's finished. Okay, cheers, bye. Right, that's the second top coat applied. So just wait for that to dry off. It's fairly dry, quick drying. Once that's done, then I can put 2 coats of the silver on, or it's pearl grey actually, and obviously do that, let that dry, and then that can go back on the car, and then the hubcap on, and that's the first wheel for today. Obviously I'm not going to shoot a separate video for every wheel. Obviously you don't need to see me do 4 separate wheels in 4 separate videos, so I'll just do this one for today. And obviously then once it's all finished and it's all on, then I'll be doing a walk around of the car anyway, so you'll be able to see them on the car all finished and complete. So yeah, back to you shortly. Right, that's the first coat with top coat on. So let that dry off and then put another coat on. And then let that dry off and then put the hubcap on. Right, that's the second top coat. We'll just wait that to dry and then I can put that back in the car and fit the hubcap. There's the wheel back on the car. So I'll now just put the hubcap on. And that's it with the hubcap on. So once the tyre's been painted black, that should look amazing. So thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And if you want to follow me on TikTok, it's VKT193J. If you want to follow me on Facebook, on Lucy's page, it's Mike's Rambles with Lucy Morris Minor, and also the same strip line for the YouTube channel. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next one. Bye.